How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie is a classic self-help book that teaches valuable principles for building strong relationships, improving communication, and gaining influence over others. Carnegie offers practical advice for interacting with people in both personal and professional settings. Key principles: don't criticize, condemn, or complain. People don't respond well to criticism. Instead, Carnegie advises showing empathy and understanding others' perspectives to build stronger connections. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone craves appreciation. Acknowledging and praising people for their efforts or qualities helps create goodwill and positive relationships. Arouse in the other person an eager want to influence others. Show them how they can benefit from your ideas. Help people see how their needs or desires align with what you're offering. Become genuinely interested in other people. Take an interest in people's lives, their thoughts, and their feelings. Listening and showing care makes others feel valued and builds rapport. Smile. A simple, genuine smile can break barriers and make you more approachable, instantly creating a positive atmosphere in any interaction. Remember names. A person's name is important to them. Remembering and using it shows respect and helps establish a personal connection. Be a good listener. Carnegie emphasizes listening more than talking. By listening attentively, you not only learn more, but also make people feel heard and appreciated. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. People enjoy conversations that revolve around their interests. Focus on what matters to them, and they'll be more engaged. Make the other person feel important. Making people feel significant through kindness and consideration helps create lasting relationships. Conclusion: How to Win Friends and Influence People teaches that success in life depends on our ability to connect with others. By showing appreciation, listening well, avoiding criticism, and understanding people's desires, anyone can build strong, positive relationships and influence others in a respectful and effective way. These principles, if applied sincerely, can lead to both personal and professional success.